What are you two doing? I am about to jump here, and you're flirting. Hurry up. I am freezing.
The money, not a single cent. If you are gonna jump, then jump already.
离你也很 I know a million isn't too much to you two, but to me, it is my life. You rich people are heartless.
So what? If you are jumping, do it now. So, I can call a bulldozer.
Why would you call a bulldozer if I jump?
You don't get it. People who jump usually turn into a pile of mush. You need a machine to scoop them up.
Stop wasting time.